To the one and only Marie, on behalf of our only son Joseph, who unfortunately is unwell today, Happy Mother's Day. We thank you for your hard work, patience, and love.
Ng buhay ko ang napaka-strong independent woman at napaka-blessed ko dahil natapos na ang yugto ng aming mahaba-habang long distance relationship at magkasama na kami ngayon at sabay namin tatahakin ang landas at buhay na magkasama through thick and thin. And happy Partners Day. More blessings to us. Thank you Tito Ray sa lahat ng effort.
Hello po, I'm Sheena. I'm Jabal's youngest sister, and let me tell you a little bit about her as a sibling. So, si Ate Jubel po, she's always been the smart, independent, wise, eldest sibling, and I can never be more thankful that she is my ate because nung bata pa po ako, she has always served as my role model. When she started getting into art, she influenced me, and now I'm an artist. When I wanted to study medicine, she really did pursue my passion of science and care and healthcare in general. And I'm really thankful that she has influenced me to be the person I am today. Kung hindi po dahil kay Ate Jubel, I wouldn't be as confident. I wouldn't be as kind, siguro, and siguro lang, I wouldn't be that great at communicating what I want to express without her as my role model. And I'm very thankful kasi she's very empathetic, she's very supportive, and as a sibling, overall, 10 over 10 ka sa akin. Or 1 million over 100. Charot. Thank you for this opportunity and letting me share her as my sibling. And humaingon lang sa akong ate Kai. I love you so much, Mama Chup Chup. And I hope that you never get tired of my annoying self pag chat ko. And thank you so much for always looking out for me. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mami. Salamat sa lahat ng ginagawa mo sa ating family. Salamat sa pagmamahal, sa pag-aalaga sa akin at sa mga bata. Enjoy your day. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you. Go!
I love you, Mommy. I love you, and I miss you. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. And I love you. And I'll give you these surprises on Sunday.
Okay.
And I love you.
Okay.
Happy Mother's Day po. I'm very thankful po na you're always there for us and you always give time for us. And I'm very thankful din po na you always work hard for us. Even though you're very tired, even though you don't have time. Thank you very much. And thank you for spending time for us, even though you're very busy at work. Thank you very much. And keep serving God. That's all you want, and God will always love you. And I pray that may God not change your hearts, and may God help you as the way you go. I love you, Mommy. Thank you very much. Happy Mother's Day. Love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mami Lan. Happy Mother's Day to the most incredible woman who always fill our life with joy and support. May you continue your work on others and kay Lord po. And may God bless you every day and for the rest of your life. And enjoy the rest of the Mother's Day po. And God bless you.
To my darling wife, thank you so much. I love you with every bit of my heart. My every breath is only thinking about you. Thank you for everything, all the inspiration, all the motivation, all the happiness you've given to me for the last 16 years. I love you so much. Happy Mother's Day. You are the best mother of all. Thank you for also bringing Kate into our lives, and now we have another daughter. Bye.
Happy Mother's Day! Hi Mom, I already gave you a really big speech during your wedding, so I'm not going to repeat myself, but thank you so much for being the mother that you are and the father that you are. For many years now, you are worth celebrating every day, not just Mother's Day. I love you and thank you so much for giving me your nose.
Hey Mom, I just want to say we really appreciate you for your hard work. We know that you come into the house feeling tired, but I hope that we and Daddy E, we can energize you and make you feel good about yourself because you deserve every good thing in this world. We love you so much.
We love you. Happy Mother's Day.
Hello, Mommy. Happy Mother's Day to you. Salamat sa iyong marami sa pagmamahal mo sa akin. Kahit ako pasaway, iniintindi mo ako. Ngayong Mother's Day, I want you to become happy. Kahit di ko maparamdam sa iyo na mahal kita. Alam mo yan kung hindi ako showy. Kaya ang sasabi ko lang sa'yo, mahal na mahal kita kahit hindi ko limit na sinasabi sa'yo. Ika nga action louder than word. I love you so much. Mahal na mahal kita. Kahit na hindi ko napapadama sa'yo, kahit tinasabi mo wala akong ano ba ito? Yung hindi ako ano ba yung tawag doon sa basta yun na hindi ko ma-express salamat sa iyo natanggap mo ako ng buong buo and I love you so much. Yun lang. Happy Mother's Day to you. Love you.
just would like to say thank you for being the heart and the light of the family. Thank you for making our home the best place in the world where I can find rest after a day's hard work. I would like to let you know that you are like a glue that binds our family together. So today, I just want to greet you a very special happy Mother's Day from your hubby, from your daddy, and from your youngest son. Parang ang gulo na yata eh. Anyway, happy Mother's Day to you. I love you so much.
Hi Mom, happy birthday. I'm so glad once again that we get to celebrate your birthday, and I'm so grateful for a mother. Always so blessed to know that I have a mother like you, and just know I love you so much and I appreciate everything you do for the family, for the kids, and I'm so grateful. Love you. Bye.
Mami, happy Mother's Day. Nagpapasalamat ako sa pagiging mabuti mong ina at asawa para sa akin. Ingatan mo sarili mo at yung kalusugan. At happy Mother's Day ulit. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon na dami nating naging problema o pagsubok sa buhay ay tayo pa rin ang pinagtagpo. Maraming salamat sa iyo at happy Mother's Day.